Okay, this is my little concoction. I have like a little chicken wing sauce here, barbecue sauce here, and soy sauce, and I'm going to be mixing it. Okay. Don't want to waste, a lot of ingredients, and then I'm going to shake it once it's in here. Utilizing every resource that we've got. Okay. I'm also going to be adding parsley flakes, of course, the infamous garlic and pepper seasoning. Okay. And believe it or not, I'm redoing the broth, and I'm going to use that to marinate the chicken. Just boiled the chicken. Now I'm going to marinate it over here. So this is a little bit cooked, and then we're just going to end up frying it in this pan later. Okay. So I boiled the chicken halfway so we could be able to have it in the oven or fry it or barbecue grill. And I added a little Moroccan twist to it, of course. Now, this is why we boil it, so that way when you fry it, grill it, whatever you choose, it's not so burnt, but it still has that savory taste to it. Can you smell it through this? It's good. Alright, alhamdulillah. Alright, inshallah. Shukran, guys. Okay? Be good, be here. When you're done, all said and done, this is how it should look. Very tasteful. Well done, well cooked. Ready to eat. بخير حلال